Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinambakan ng Boston Celtics ang Washington Wizards 122-102. Top performer si Jaylen Brown sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists at 4 steals. Jordan Poole 26 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Pinayoko naman ng Dallas Mavericks ang San Antonio Spurs 120-109. Top performer si Luka Doncic sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 10 rebounds, 8 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Victor Wembanyama 17 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Oklahoma City ang Denver Nuggets 102-87. Top performer si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 7 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals at 3 blocks. Nikola Jokic 16 points, 12 rebounds, 13 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Wagi naman ang Minnesota Timberwolves kontra sa Sacramento Kings 117-115. Top performer si Julius Randle sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 5 rebounds at 4 assists. DeMar DeRozan 26 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng East Conference as of October 25, 2024. Boston Celtics 2 wins 0 loss. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 0 loss. Cleveland Cavaliers 1 win 0 loss. Orlando Magic 1 win 0 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 0 loss. Indiana Pacers 1 win 0 loss. Atlanta Hawks 1 win 0 loss. Brooklyn Nets 0 win 1 loss. Detroit Pistons 0 win 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 0 win 1 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 0 win 1 loss. Miami Heat 0 win 1 loss. Washington Wizards 0 win 1 loss. New York Knicks 0 win 1 loss. Toronto Raptors 0 win 1 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng West Conference as of October 25, 2024. New Orleans Pelicans 1 win 0 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 1 win 0 loss. Golden State Warriors 1 win 0 loss. Oklahoma City 1 win 0 loss. Dallas Mavericks 1 win 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 1 win 0 loss. Memphis Grizzlies 1 win 0 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 1 win 1 loss. Sacramento Kings 0 win 1 loss. Utah Jazz 0 win 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 0 win 1 loss. Houston Rockets 0 win 1 loss. San Antonio Spurs 0 win 1 loss. Denver Nuggets 0 win 1 loss. Portland Trail Blazers 0 win 1 loss. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 26, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Brooklyn Nets at Orlando Magic alas 7 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Philadelphia 76ers at Toronto Raptors alas 7 ng umaga. Magsasalpukan naman ang Charlotte Hornets at Atlanta Hawks alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Detroit Pistons at Cleveland Cavaliers alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap din ang Indiana Pacers at New York Knicks alas 7:30 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Memphis Grizzlies at Houston Rockets alas 8 ng umaga. Magtutuos din ang Chicago Bulls at Milwaukee Bucks alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Golden State Warriors at Utah Jazz alas 9:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Phoenix Suns at Los Angeles Lakers alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang New Orleans Pelicans at Portland Trail Blazers alas 10 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.